One thing about a lathe, it does get messy. And the only thing I hate about a metal lathe is this screw rod gets pieces of metal in it, and I gotta clean it out to use it. So let me clean it out and I'll show you what's next. I got this fan stuff, kind of looks like the stuff for the sides of the air conditioner. It does have a black strip on one side, well both sides really. But I see a lot of people have these on their lathe, and it kind of stretches out. I could only get it 15 inches wide, so I'm just going to cut it in half and just put both of them right here. And I got some magnets. I'm just going to put magnets along this side and along this side just to hold it so I don't get any chips on this bar right here. Let me cut this in half and we'll get started. Well, to go the whole length of the lathe. But that'll keep pieces of metal out of my screw gear. But thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you guys like it. Subscribe button if you're not a member. Comments are always welcome. Have a nice day.